Look at this guy. He's actually eating the leaf. Now let me try to focus the camera. There we are somewhat. There we are. He's actually eating the leaf, sucking on it. He is sucking on the leaf. These are some weird looking guys, man. That's some weird looking bugs. He won't let it go either. He's got claws. There we are. That's a nice pic. He is sucking on that leaf like, man, thanks, man. I just saved his life from getting eaten by a cat. My cat grabbed it, so I took it out of her mouth, and here he is eating a leaf now because I gave it to him. That's funny. Pretty cool bugs though, man. I think these are the bugs that actually make those weird ticking, like those buzzing noise, the buzzing noise they do. Yeah. He's actually eating it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can really see, you can see him eating it, like sucking on a leaf. I guess they suck the juices out. We're gonna let this guy go. I saved his butt, so there he is. So we're gonna let this little guy go. See you guys later. I gotta look at my kid. He's running away with no clothes on.